So hi everyone, Stability AI has just now released a new version of Stable Diffusion, a text to image generation model that is 3.5. This model is released into two versions, 3.5 large and 3.5 large turbo. Given the samples that they have given, the model looks amazingly good, and here you can see that it is a gated model on Hugging Face. That means you need to provide your information to access the model. Apart from that, the model is completely open source and is multi-model diffusion transformer. DIT is a term that is getting used very frequently with image generator models. Apart from that, rest of the information is given on the Hugging Face page of the model. Most interestingly, they have also released Comfy UI version, Hugging Face Space as well, and its usage with diffuser library if we have used. So here, if you click on how to use this model, just click on diffusers and you will get the code. Now, let's try out the model on Hugging Face Spaces and let's see how it performs. So let me give it a basic prompt. Fantasy world with river animals. Here are some settings that you can see by the time I will run this. Width, height, guidance scale, and number of inference steps. The number of inference steps is quite high, hence the time taken is about 1 minute by default. If you reduce this, then the time taken would get reduced. So I think the inference time is quite fine. And here you can see that most interestingly, it is just 8 billion parameters. So I think this can be a game changer, because right now this looks to be the quality of the first sample that I saw on the page. It was quite amazing. And Stable Diffusion, to be honest, as we all know, has been the king in the text to image generator model. So I hope this model is quite good. Apart from that, as mentioned in the official announcement, 3.5 medium would be launched soon in the coming week. For now, just 3.5 large and 3.5 large turbo are released. So let's try them out. So this is the image it has generated. It has all our elements. Animals are there, water is there, aliens are there. Quite good, quite good. Let me try out something else. So now we will try out the another prompt, animated car racing with horses. This is some random prompt that I can think of. I will reduce the number of inference steps so that the inferencing is a little faster. Let's try. So here you can see it has generated a decent enough image. A car is there, a horse race is also going on. So I think whatever I can visualize with the animated prompt, I think it has done a decent job. Let me try out some realistic image now. Mother loving her children, realistic. So here is the image generated. Looks decent. It is realistic. I think I have reduced a number of inference steps, so not looking that sharp, but still did a good job. So I think the Stable Diffusion 3.5 model looks amazingly good given the lesser number of inference steps. We just tried out 3 prompts. As a matter of fact, you can even try out Stable Diffusion 3.5 large turbo, which is also available, which should be faster. Apart from that, in the coming videos, we'll be testing out Stable Diffusion and Python, and let's see how it performs.